Hello and welcome everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning into A Taste of St. Martin. Today we have oxtail on the menu. This is a very delicious dish. It is complemented with carrots and potatoes. The first thing you want to do before seasoning the oxtail is to trim any excess fat off of the meat. As you can see here, I'm going through the pieces and trimming all excess fat. Once I finish trimming the excess fat, I clean the meat thoroughly 3 to 4 times with water and vinegar. You can also use the lime or the lemon in addition with the vinegar to wash the meat. At this point, I'm adding the fresh and wet ingredients. Here is a list of these ingredients. Next, I'm adding the dry seasonings. These are listed as well. Then I thoroughly coat the oxtail with the ingredients and seasonings. Marinate the oxtail overnight, but if you are pressed for time, let the meat marinate 2 to 4 hours before cooking. Turn your heat on to medium-high. Coat the bottom of your pressure cooker pot with oil and brown sugar. Once sugar starts to caramelize to a dark brown color, not black, at this point you have to be careful not to have your heat too high. The sugar will turn black and make your meat bitter. Add the meat to the oil and sugar glaze. Stir and coat the meat thoroughly in the glaze and let simmer. Once coated, I loosely add the cover and let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. I added the pre-boiled water until the meat is covered in preparation to begin pressurizing. The oxtail has simmered for 15 to 20 minutes. Add tomato paste and fresh garlic. Add pre-boiled water until the meat is covered. Lock cover into place and begin pressurizing. After 30 to 40 minutes, I turn the stove off and let the pot depressurize before opening. Then check meat for tenderness. Once the oxtail has reached desired tenderness, I turn the stove back on to medium-high. I added water and the rest of my fresh vegetables. Let's simmer until potatoes and carrots are at desired tenderness. Liquid reduced more than I would like, so at this point I added some additional water and tomato paste. Let's simmer for a few more minutes before serving. This is our finished dish of stew oxtail with carrots and potatoes. It is a very delicious dish and I hope you try it soon. Until next time.